Hello everyone, we from Group Science Club. Now we will present an article entitled Language, Culture and Identity in a Globalized World. In the era of globalization, language plays a crucial role in shaping individual and collective identity. English, as a global language, has become a powerful tool for communication across culture, education, technology, and international relations. However, the widespread use of English also raises important questions about cultural identity, local language, and linguistic diversity. My idea in the paragraph is the English as a global language influence identity, communication, and culture in globalism. The purpose is to explain the benefits of English and its impact of cultural identity and linguistic difference. I agree because English helps global communication and education, but it should not replace local language.
Paragraph 2. Language is not merely a means of communication, it is deeply connected to cultural values and ways of thinking. When individuals ask a particular language, they also express cultural meanings embedded in that language. For many non-native speakers, learning English opens access to global knowledge and opportunities. At the same time, it may influence how they perceive themselves and their cultural background. The main idea of the paragraph is that our language is closely linked to cultural and identity, and while learning English provides non-native speakers with access to global knowledge and opportunity, it can also affect how they view themselves and their cultural background. Purpose of the paragraph is explain the cultural and identity, relate impact of language as particular English, and write about that learning a global language involves more than just acquiring communication skills. Critical response: I agree with the paragraph because language play a powerful role in shaping thought, values, and identity. When people learn English, they do not only learn grammar and vocabulary. They are also exposed to cultural norms and ways of thinking that might differ from their own. This export and broaden perspectives and increase cultural understanding. Paragraph 3. In many countries, English is used as a medium of instruction in higher education. This practice is often associated with academic prestige and global community. Students work master academics English standard of better access to international journals, conference, and professional networks of our the dominance of English in academics can marginalize local language and knowledge system. As a result, Flaubert local wisdom may refresh reproduction at the global level. My idea of the article is that by using English as a medium of education and academic prestige in global community. Purpose of the paragraph. The purpose of the article is to English about the benefits and drawbacks of an dominance of English in Thai. Critical reports. On one hand, I again that English plays a crucial role in higher education because it allows students and reporters to access international journals, participate in global conference and provided across borders.
Paragraph 4. Another issue related to language and identity is coded twisting. We pray to the party of alternating between two or more languages in communication. Coded twisting is common among bilingual or multilingual speakers and refers to flexible identity. Rather than indicating language deficiency, coded twisting demonstrates linguistic competence and cultural awareness. The mind is of paragraph. It coded twisting is common of positive practice among bilingual or multilingual speakers with flexible identity, linguistic competence, and cultural awareness. Purpose of the text. The purpose of the text is explain the concept of coded twisting and color that retain language deficiency. Code twisting allows speakers to store and move exploit language for the first social context.
Paragraph 5. Despite the benefit of English as a global language, there is growing concern about language loss. Many local and indigenous languages are introduced because younger generations prefer using dominant language such as English. This year can lead to the erosion of cultural heritage. Traditional, melody, and community folk values. Legends loss is not only a linguistic issue, but allows a cultural and social problem. The main idea of the paragraph is the concrete that the dominance of English as a global language can lead to the loss of local and indigenous when my respect in the erosion of cultural heritage and social context. Opinion. I agree with the statement in the reading because language is a community cultural identity when a local language is no longer accepted by the younger generation. The cultural hours, oral, traditional, and local language passed down only there. Language serves as a social unit, a community sorterios can erode social relation and the community identity. Why this gap? Because English does not have to replace local language but can be accepted together. The loss of regional language is more than a lot of preparation by families, schools, and community after the part the preference of English.
Paragraph 6. To address this challenge, schools emphasize the importance of multilingual education and the integration of local language into formal education system, encouraging students to value both English and their mother tongues can promote linguistic balance and cultural pride. English should be viewed as an additional resource rather than a replace for local language. Main idea of the paragraph is the multilingual education is message to balance the use of English and local language. The purpose is to encourage the integration of local language in education and promote cultural pride. Critical response: I agree because multilingual education allows students to gain global skills without losing their cultural identity.
Paragraph 7. In the conclusion, English plays a significant role in globalization, offering opportunity for communication and academic advancement. However, its influence on cultural identity and local language must be critically examined. By promoting multilingual and respecting linguistic diversity, societies can benefit from global communication while preserving their cultural identity. The main idea of the paragraph is that English is an important tool in globalization that enhances communication and academic opportunities, but it also poses challenges to cultural identity and local language. The purpose of the paragraph is to highlight both the benefit and drawbacks of the global spirit of English and to encourage a balanced approach promoting multilingualism and respecting linguistic diversity while benefit from global communication. I agree with the article viewpoint. English admirably facilitates global communication, education, and access to knowledge, which is essential in today's interconnected world.